Today we're going to learn how to read text from images in Blazor using C#. Hello everybody, welcome back. In today's tutorial, we're going to learn how to read text from images in Blazor using the IronOCR library. We're going to build a complete OCR application that can extract text from uploaded images. So first, let me show you the NuGet package manager. As you can see here, I've already installed the IronOCR package for this project. I've also installed the Blazor input file package, which helps us handle the file uploads in Blazor. I'm using the Blazor web template. In the latest .NET versions, the Blazor server and WebAssembly templates have been merged into a single Blazor web template. So now let's look at the imports.razor file. Here I've added two using directives, at using IronOCR for OCR functionality, and at using Blazor input file for file upload components. These imports make these namespaces available throughout the Blazor pages. Moving to OCR.razor file, in the pages folder at the top, we have the @page directive set to OCR, and the @render mode is set to interactive server for server-side interactivity. We set the page title to OCR, text recognition, and display a heading for our application. The page has two-column layout using Bootstrap. On the left side, we have the extracted text section with a disabled text area that displays our image text variable. This shows the OCR results after processing. On the right side, we have the upload image section. First, we check if the image preview has value, and if so, we display the uploaded image in an image container. Below that, we have the Blazor input file.input file component that calls the ViewImage method when the file is selected. We show the status message for upload feedback, and then finally, we conditionally rendered an extract text button that calls the GetText method when clicked. So now let's look at the code behind the file, ocr.razor.cs. The ViewImage method handles file uploads. First, we get the first file from the array. We validate the file size against our 4 megabyte limit, and then check if it's a valid image file. If validation fails, we update the status message accordingly. If the file is valid, we create a memory stream and then copy that file data into it. We convert the byte array to base 64 string and then create a data URL for the image preview. This allows us to display the uploaded image before processing. The GetText method performs the OCR processing. At the top, we set the IronOCR license key in a region. If image file bytes is not null, we create a new Iron Test Rack instance, which is the OCR engine. We create an OCR input from our image bytes, call the read method to process the image, and then store the extracted text in the image text variable. In the app.razor file, we've added a script reference to Blazor input file JavaScript file. This is required for the file upload component to function properly. In the nav menu.razor file, we added a navigation link for our OCR page, and this adds an OCR menu item with a text file icon that navigates to the OCR root. So let's go ahead and run the application now. Browser is opening and loading our Blazor app, and perfect. The application is running. You can see the OCR menu item in the navigation. When I click on it, we see our OCR page with the extracted text area on the left and the upload image section on the right with the file chooser. So now I'll click on Choose File and select an image containing text and then click the Extract Text button, and boom. Excellent. The extracted text appears in the left text area. IronOCR successfully read the text, quote, scared, good. We don't grow when we stay inside our comfort zone, end quote. The OCR actually recognized all the text from the image, including proper spacing and the line breaks. And that's it. You successfully built an OCR application in Blazor using IronOCR. You can now upload images and extract text with just a few clicks. This, of course, can be extended for document processing, form recognition, and many other applications. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to subscribe to get more useful tutorials from Iron Software. And if you want to get started with a trial license, go ahead and go to the site, download, install the package, and experience the power of our software firsthand. Click the link below in the description. Check it out.